Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a 16 by 16 inch canvas. It's a gallery wrapped canvas, and I've also taped off the back, and I have tightened that canvas with a spritz of water until it sounds like a drum. With that being said, I was really digging on black negative space today, and I've got some black mixed up here. This is just Artist Loft black soft body paint mixed with Floetrol and Liquitex pouring medium, about 50-50 for each. And I have Arteza's Bordeaux Red, and it's about 1 part paint to 6 parts Floetrol. And I did add a little bit of water to thin it out a little bit. I also have Goldens-Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, and we're gonna work with that and some regular Decoart gold and then some white. So that is going to be my color palette today. So we're gonna flood the canvas, and I'm thinking, good Lord, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I wish I was live right now. I'd ask you guys. I think maybe I'll do an open cup across it. I don't know. Let's just wing it and go from there. I'll think of something. I'll think of something at the last minute, I'm sure. It's wherever the paint leads me, I suppose. Maybe we'll just do a straight pour. Yeah, why don't we do that? Just a straight pour. Let me get a different cup. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use this. So I have never really done a straight pour with black. Pardon me. So I am, however, going to start with a smidge of white at the base, which will be my center when all is said and done. And I'm gonna put a little bit of the gold there and come in with the Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, and then the Bordeaux Red. Sprinkle a little bit of that, and now I'm gonna come in with the black. Oh boy. I have some pearl marmalade left over here we'll throw in on top of the black. I'm hoping this shows up. The Nickel Azo Gold. A little bit of gold. Some Bordeaux Red. I don't think I want to use too much of the black. I'm going to come in with some white now. Eek. All right, let's do the Nickel Azo. And come in with the black. Oh boy. We'll come in with the rest of, actually, let's come in with the pearl marmalade that I have left over here. We're just gonna dump all that right there. And the Nickel Azo is used up, so that's excellent. I'm gonna come in with the Bordeaux Red. And the gold. All right, so we obviously don't need a whole cup, but I'm gonna save that. What is on the top of this, I can't talk today, wow. Whatever is on the top of this cup layer wise is typically what is going to go off the canvas, and I'm completely okay with that. I know I put the red and the white next to each other. That will create pink, so that is something I don't necessarily want, but let's just see how this goes. And I'm not gonna do a puddle, or am I? No. Or maybe I'll do a puddle of red, actually, if I have any Bordeaux left. Well, that was weak. Don't want to do black, but I also don't want to do white, so we'll go with lesser of the evils at this moment. And here we go. Yay! Oh man, beautiful. I love the cells in the gold. They've got some Bordeaux red in them. And these flames over here. All right, I'm gonna have to put down a base because a flow extender, because there's a lot on these edges that I don't want to miss or lose per se. This was the just in case cup. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna wreck this one at all, although I'm super tempted to do so, but I'm not going to. We're gonna practice restraint. And we're gonna stretch over to here and come back. It's okay if they go off a little bit. Gotta be really careful because what I'm trying to do is preserve some of these and be able to open them up because they look like flames. And we like flames. Oh. And come down to this corner now and get some of this off. Oh yeah, this piece is gorgeous. Yay. I'm gonna come down here. And also try to preserve some of that. Yeah. So we're gonna stop right there for a second. And let this little bit here start developing here. I meant to torch it before I stretched, but I still have a little more stretching to go, so it's turned out pretty cool. These cells are like transparent cells. They're really cool. trying to figure out which way to go. I feel like it needs to be stretched out a little more. I sort of want to get some of this off, but I don't want to lose the black in here. Kind of want to come down here. I want to leave this here. I want to keep those cells, but I'm not digging what's going on right there, so. Really not crazy about what's here, so we're gonna try and scoot them off a bit. And then, let me see. Don't know if I like all the red down here. That's much better. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up the corners and we are gonna bring you guys in just a moment. Okay, here we are. These cells are so cool here. If I shift a little bit, you can see stripes with gold. They look like chiffon or whatnot, but I'm really loving this area. And then eliminating this area of red right here and pulling this composition down a little bit, balance the piece, and I'm really loving the final outcome. There's the center. When this dries, it'll have some of the gold metallic haze across it all. I think if I had opened up all these, they would have been fabulous, but I do like them very neatly together because we have an exaggeration of what is going on here over here, and it's just, I think it balances it. Tell me, guys, tell me what you think. And the black definitely added some depth to this piece. Wow, I'm tired. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please check out the Arteza links below where you can buy your Arteza products at a discount by using my coupon code that is good until March 31st. In the meantime, I'll see you soon.